Yeah, look, it's like spinning. Oh shit, I don't know, hon. That looks pretty sweet. Oh, Avery, it is a tornado! Right there, it's a tornado! No! Avery, there's a tornado right there! Right there!
Wow, that's amazing.
Oh my god! That is amazing! Okay, I think it's good. I think it passed. I think so. Or here it is. Oh, here it is, right here. Oh, we're okay. We're okay. It's okay. It's right there. You hear it rolling? Avery, it's okay. Shush. It's right there, hon. The tornado's right there. It's okay. We're gonna be fine. Oh my god. Avery, you should see this. It's amazing. It's right there, Avery. The tornado's right there. I see it. Holy shit. Oh my god, that's fucking awesome. Oh my god, it's right there in front of us! Holy shit, should we go inside? Oh my god. That's really fucking close. Wow. Wow, look, it's silent. Oh my god. Avery, get inside, hon. Whoa. Whoa, baby. God, that's amazing. Whoa, it's right there. There, I see the debris. It's over there. There's debris right there. Oh my god. Oh, it's right above us, Avery. Avery, you see it? This is your only chance, hon, before we gotta go in. Oh my god, that's amazing. Okay, where is it? We gotta just keep track on it.
Right there.
Oh, whoa, you see the debris in the air, hon? There it is. It is right there. Whoa.
You see that? Like it is moving.
You better be careful. Oh my god. The tornado's over there, hon. We're good. We're fine. There it is. I see it over there in the distance. Oh, Avery, the tornado will be on the other side. Let's go to the other side of the apartment.
Yeah.
Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on. This way, this way. Come on. Let's go look this way. Come on. Here.
Daddy, I want you to get inside.
Honestly, the hallway is probably the safest spot. Well, I'm gonna look outside, but it definitely is a tornado because I see it. Whoa! I think it blew over, but I saw it. I got it on camera.
It was? I didn't see it spinning.
Oh yeah, it was right there. I saw the. It was like flew up. I saw the debris.
Wow.
And
Wow,
then
really?
it was right there. I saw the tornado. It went right over us.
Oh my god.
And there, it's somewhere in there now.
Wow. So now it's hidden.
Now,
Yeah, I
Flew
saw.
over the grill.
Yeah, it was. I saw shit flying up over there.
it's maybe a
It
high.
was really
Yeah,
high.
Tornado. And
Whoa.
high in the sky.
Yeah.
How are you?
Okay.
I didn't see it.
I got.